Hi friends, my name is Mykhailo Radzievskyi and I will tell you how you can go to beautiful place of Thailand, Erawan National Park. If you stay in Bangkok, you need go to Victory Monument and go into one station near the Century Movie Plaza. You need take one to Kanchanaburi. Price now is 110 baht is $4. Little one but with air conditioner, and after 2 hours you will arrive at Kanchanaburi bus station. Here you need to find bus to Erawan. This bus costs 50 baht, almost $2. Is not have air conditioner but have opened window. And after 2 hours away in beautiful landscape in mountain around, you will arrive Erawan National Park. You will need buy ticket for 300 baht, $10, what allow you stay up to 5 days in Territory National Park. And after out from bus, you will need going to registration for choose where you will stay. You can choose house, tent or bring your own tent, what can be much cheaper choice. We rent tent for 3 people for 225 baht per day is $8, and also we rent equipment for sleeping and cooking. Per person is cost 150 baht is approximately $5 per day. Tent what we rent was very near river and had beautiful view around. You can take beautiful pics at night or evening. Only one not very good. Another side of river have road and some car drive very loud. Better if you bring flashlight with you, for when you will go at night to toilet, can see around. If you stay in tent, toilet is not very comfortable. It's joined together with shower and will make you not happy to use this. You can meet beautiful lizards, but not do this what I do, because they can very hard bite you. I'm lucky. Way to waterfall is beautiful way in jungle, but for some people can be very hard, especially last 7th floor. Is have tables with arrows what show you direction, and you cannot lost in jungle, don't worry, but you must be very careful for not fall. Way to last waterfall is approximately 2 km, and yes, not forgot about you need back this 2 km also. And of course, when you come in water, fish will make you many large from the active massage of your feet. This is just amazing funny feeling. We was one from first people who arrived 7th floor waterfall this day, and we meet monkey who just wake up and going to fig tree for eating their breakfast. This year was not enough rain, so we see weak stream on all waterfall, but I was impressed about beautiful clear blue water on all floors of waterfall, and yes, you can swim in this water. Even if you cannot swim in, just put feet in water, be happy and make happy fish in Erawan. And don't worry, big fish only see how their child do massage for you. I very like 3rd floor of waterfall. It's very not far for walking and very beautiful place. Fish what life in waterfall is diamond of Erawan. And swimming with this fish cost every money what you will spend with this travel. But again, not be lazy, wake up early, or you will be one from 100 another people who going to meet fish and see waterfall. Time in Erawan go very fast and you will back to Kanchanaburi on same bus. But you must notice, last bus going in 4 p.m. because way on mountain road can be danger at night time. And bonus, you can exercise in Erawan when run on stumps.